Hello everyone. So we have this tricky geometry question with us. Here we are given that AC is perpendicular to AB. AC is perpendicular to AB. That means this angle will be 90 degree. And it is also given that BP bisects angle CBE. That means this is the angle bisector. So this angle and this angle will be equal to each other. Similarly, CP bisects angle BCD. BCD. So that means CP is the angle bisector for BCD. Okay, so these two angles will be equal. Correct. And we need to find angle P. We need to find angle P. This angle we need to find out. Okay. So let's see how we can find this angle. As I told you in the beginning, this angle is 90 degree. Correct. So let's assume few angles. Let this angle be x degrees. Let this angle be y degrees. Okay. So if this angle is x and this angle is y, let's find the supplementary angles. Okay. Let's find angle BCD. Angle BCD, that means this angle will be 180 minus x degrees. Correct. Similarly, angle CBE will be 180 minus y degrees. I'm talking about this angle. Now, as we know that BP and CP are angle bisectors, so this angle and this angle will be equal. Correct? These two angles will be equal to each other and these two angles will be equal to each other. Correct? So let's find out angle PCB, which will be half of angle BCD. Okay, so that means it will be half of 180 minus x. Correct? That means angle PCB will be 90 minus x by 2. Okay, please keep this in mind. 90 minus x by 2. Similarly, we can find angle PBC. It will be 90 minus y by 2 degrees. Okay. So let's mark these two angles in the figure. This is 90 minus x by 2. This is 90 minus y by 2. Okay. And we need to find this angle, angle P. Okay. So let's jump into the next step. In our next step, we will be taking triangle PBC. In triangle PBC, angle P plus angle PCB plus angle PBC is equals to 180 degrees, correct? Angle PCB is 90 minus x by 2. Angle PBC is 90 minus y by 2 is equals to 180 degrees, correct? If you see carefully, 90 plus 90 is equals to 180. So this will be cancelled out and we will get angle P is equals to x plus y by 2. Okay, x plus y by 2. Now please look at this triangle, triangle CAB, right triangle CAB. I'm talking about this triangle, okay? In this triangle, we know that this angle is 90 degree, angle A. Angle A is 90 degree, correct? So what will be the sum of x and y? The sum of x and y will be 90 degree, correct? In a right triangle, sum of two acute angles is 90 degree, correct? So we can write x plus y as 90 degree, 90 by 2. So that means angle P that we will get from here is 45 degrees. Angle P will be 45 degrees. This will be our final answer. Let's write it in the figure. This angle P is 45 degrees. I hope you understood the solution well. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel and do not forget to share with your friends. Thank you.